Hi riches, are you ready to discover your purpose in life and live with the meaning? Do you want to find your why? In this video, we dive into the beautiful Japanese philosophy of Ikigai, the art of finding what makes life truly worth living. Whether you are searching for self-discovery, struggling to balance your passions, or simply want to uncover the secret to happiness and fulfillment, this is your starting point. Well, I did not start my journey until I read the book Ikigai, Japanese Secret to Live Long and Happy Life, the international bestseller written by Francesc Miralles and Hector Garcia. The author dedicates this book to her brother, who always says, "I don't know what to do with my life." Well, I now know what to do with my life after reading the book. But do you really know what passion, profession, vocation, mission, job, or work all mean? And how they are different from each other, and how they are connected to the magical secret of Ikigai? One thing for sure, it is not just semantics. They are different from each other and have a deeper connection to Ikigai. Once we understand that, you can find your Ikigai and your life will never be the same. Guaranteed. There are ever so many books written on this topic with the vow of benefiting the world with the singular and spectacular theme of Ikigai. With the same sense of purpose, having read them and experienced it, I am giving the juice, boiled, filtered, decanted in this video. My focus is only on how you can find your Ikigai from 4 basic parameters and overlapping like a Venn diagram. Please watch till end because no other video will be as dynamic as this beyond all the books, because that is what I found as my Ikigai. We will go into the video. You have just graduated and you have to make your career decisions. What are you going to do in life? I am sure you will find a job and earn money and make your living. But is it something you love? Something you are good at? Something you are paid for? Or something the world needs? Is the job something purposeful and meaningful? Does it follow your heart and pursuing happiness? In short, is it your Ikigai? Which route are you going to go? Even if you are a senior and looking for a job change, or a retired employee going through retirement blues, you too can have your own Ikigai. Now the question is, how to find that Ikigai? Your Ikigai. Because each one's Ikigai is different. My Ikigai is different from you, and your Ikigai is different from the other. Now we will explore the magic and find all-powerful Ikigai. Consider your Ikigai is represented like a circle with your 4 qualifying quadrants. Let us assume you have found your Ikigai as X. In this video, like algebra sum, we will find the value for this X. For instance, X could be your skill like singing, dancing, speaking, writing, painting, accounting, or cooking. To start with, it must qualify the following characteristics to be your Ikigai. We will start with the love quadrant. First and foremost, you should be deeply in love in doing X. You repeat doing X always. You know your friends appreciate whenever you do X. You would like doing it on a Saturday morning if you have nothing else to do. Why? You will do it whenever you get some time gap. You may even steal some time for it. A teaser. Supposing if you love sleeping so much, will it qualify for your Ikigai? Next is talent quadrant. Simply because you love doing X, it cannot automatically qualify to be your Ikigai. You should be talented in doing that X. You take extra efforts like attending training, taking courses to tone up your X. You should be skilled in doing that X. Practice opportunities, rehearsing, joining Toastmasters, and so on might all be ways to boost your skills. Perhaps it can take some time and efforts and money to become a champion. A teaser. Okay, you learned professional photography but shoots only for family. Will the world will be interested in your in-camera pursuits? Let us move on to the world quadrant. Now that you love to do X and you are skilled in doing X, is there any benefit to the outside world because of your skill? Or are you going to remain only as a bathroom singer without any public concert and not entertaining the fans? Consider what the world really needs and what the world is suffering from. How your skill X can address and redress those pain points. If not at the world level, like Mother Teresa, what good it can bring to your immediate community or society. Last but not the least is money quadrant. Making money is not a vice. Some may dissuade to talk about earning potential, and it is not anathema to Ikigai. Unless you take care of yourself, sustain yourself, you may not progress. The talent or skill X you have should be capable of monetizing, meaning the people, the world at large are willing to pay for your talent, skill X. It's a good indication that you are on the right path with your Ikigai if you are well balanced in all the above 4 criteria quadrants. And when you feel more and more pleased with your X and fulfilled with your work, if you just feel dragged down, it means you are not meeting all 4 of the important criteria required, and your X cannot be your Ikigai, and you may need to find your why, or why, pun intended. Now, having understood the qualifying criteria, we will explore further in our Ikigai journey. Now watch closely till end as we will be working on these 4 quadrants further, which is the building blocks of your Ikigai. Remember, this video is about finding or discovering your Ikigai. Now, blow up each quadrant of Ikigai qualifier as an independent separate circle like love circle, skill circle, money circle, and world circle. It will be fun and highly revealing when these circles move, overlap, intersecting each other, creating secret sectors, bringing crystal clarity on your Ikigai. Please stay with me till the end as you will hit the jackpot of your Ikigai, which was eluding you all along. Again, nobody presents it like Richie Ram channel in this video. Now, overlap love circle and skill circle, and the intersection sector you get is passion. All that you love to do cannot become your passion. For example, you may love to do playing guitar, eating ice cream, sleeping, singing and dancing, writing poems, and many more. Ice cream and sleeping may be your love, but cannot give meaning or purpose to your life. Mind you, we are also not referring any of your hobbies. The remaining items like singing, guitar, and writing poems, which one you enjoy doing? How deep is your love on any? How skilled you are at it, and where you think you can get training and do regular practices to get your purpose? Passion is the combination of talent and love. When we combine talent and love without worldly use of profit, we find something that we can do and that we enjoy doing it. However, it is not usually something that promotes us socially or economically. Next, you overlap the money circle on skill circle. What you get is a profession sector. Profession is a combination of talent and profit. When we combine this, we find something which we can do very well and make money from. However, it might not bring us any joy. It is just a job to pay the bills in many cases. It is like doctors, lawyers who are trained and love to discharge their duties. Depending on the proficiency, one gets paid handsome. A profession is something you do for a living, often requiring specific skills, training, or education. It is typically driven by the need to earn money and is centered around expertise or career goals. Example: a software engineer working in tech company, they may love their work and have strong skills, but their primary focus is career advancement and financial stability. Now, as a third step, overlap the world circle with money circle, which creates vocation sector. Vocation is the combination of revenue earning and what the social or worldly needs. When we combine this, we find vocation which is needed in the universe and which gives opportunity to earn money. This helps to support and earn bread for us, but which we do not necessarily enjoy and are not always skilled at. For example, society needs houses. You can think of housing project. People need food. You can hatch on hotel business. It is not you love doing it, nor are you day and night dreaming and skilled at it. The sole purpose is to earn money and you tap on the unmet needs of the people. That's all. Such activities give rise to mundane vocation. The next move is very important. Please follow very closely. Now, when the world circle overlaps the money circle in such a way that it also overlaps the love circle on the top, something interesting is happening. Mission sector is created, meaning even though it's your vocation, you love doing it because you always want to feed the hungry, give shelter to homeless. It is your dream to give basic needs to people, and you love that so much with a missionary zeal like an NGO. A simple love converts the vocation into a grand mission. Now, look carefully how overlapping of two consecutive circles give rise to passion, profession, vocation, and mission components. All of them are really lofty pursuits as a standalone skills. No doubt, we are happy about it. We can even stay put there without going to Okinawa. Why bother reading their experiences in many books, you might ask. But there lies the secret, and you may wonder, where is this Ikigai? Wait. I appreciate your eagerness. You almost got closer to that. Next step will get you your Ikigai. Now, you bring all the four circles closer and converge them, where passion, profession, vocation, and mission sectors overlap and create a tiny island in the center. That tiny center, that small space, has all the ingredient of all four sectors, and by extension, all the criteria of all the characteristics of outer circle. Eureka! You found it. That is your Ikigai. Hi Ritesh, thanks for watching till the end, and my sincere wishes to all to find your Ikigai. Please comment if you found it useful and if you have found your Ikigai. Also, Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more such wisdom videos. This will motivate me to bring more such wisdom shorts as usual, condensed and canned for you. Thank you once again for your time.